Okay, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning for the holy judges. Good morning for the member of this house, and good morning for the opposite team. First of all, I want to tell you about myself. My name is Muhammad Rehan Nafia, and I am is the first speaker of government teams. And I am come from senior high school number 3 Payakumbuh. And okay, in this sense, I want to tell you about my opinion based on our motion today. That is, this house would disallow the practice of instantaneously neutralizing foreign athletes to serve on our national sport teams. Okay, the holy judges, based on our motion today, like I said before, I have a main problem. There is a lot of foreign athletes do a false thing that is not Indonesian culture, and it make Indonesian name is not good in point of view global, because foreign athletes bring Indonesian name in their back. Okay, the holy judges, nowadays much of foreign athletes join our national sport teams. The most sport they join is footballs. Much of football players come from abroad nations. It's like Brazil, Argentina, South Korea, China, and African, and anymore. But a lot of them have do wrong thing that is didn't our nation culture, and a lot of them and a lot of that cases was published on global, and of course it will give a bad looking for our nation Indonesia. The holy judges, I want to tell you the definition of our motion. The first is disallow. Disallow have a meaning that we as government team prohibit or disallow the foreign athlete to join our national sport team. For all section of sport, there are no more foreign athlete to join us. Just only Indonesian people can join our national sport team. There is no foreign athletes can join our national sport team. Okay, the foreign athlete is an athlete come from abroad nations. That's meaning, of course, our culture and their culture is different. And if foreign athlete do their culture in our nation, and if them have do something wrong where they have in competition, it will give a negative impact for our nations. National athlete team is our proudly team. All of them bring Indonesian name in their soldier to the world. A lot of member Indonesian sport national sport team can make Indonesia have a good achievement in the world. The holy judges, the opposite team might say that disallow foreign athlete to join our national sport team is a bad idea, because they might say much of foreign athletes have a good skill, but the holy judges, their culture have a meaning that foreign athlete is different with our culture in Indonesia. So to disallow them to join our national team, to join our sport national team, is a good idea for me to keep our national team have a good name in the world. Okay, the holy judges, come to my argument. The first one, their culture is not same with us, so the foreigners just join our sport team is not good. The foreign player can give a negative impact to our people. It's like the foreign athlete's habit. It's maybe drunks or drugs and anymore. And of course, it can give a negative impact to our people who love the foreign athlete. And it will give a chance to the fans of foreign athlete to do same with their idols do. In the meaning that idol is foreign athletes. So because of that, that is the reason to disallow the foreign athlete to join our national sport team is a bad idea. Because of that, if the foreign athlete have do a wrong things in our nation that is not a same culture in our nation, it may give a chance to the foreign athlete fans to do same with the foreign athletes do. And the second one in my argument, if the foreign athlete do something wrong when they're in competitions, it will give a negative impact to our national name, because their as athletes bring the Indonesian name to the competitions. For example, if Indonesian have attend a competition and one of member our national sport team have something wrong things in the competition, and of course it will make our nation name is not good in global, because our national sport team member have do something wrong in the competition, and it will make shy to our nations. And much of foreign athletes, like I said before, have a different culture to our culture, so we can give the chance to foreign athlete to join our national sport team. The holy judges, why this so justify to do so? Because it will better if our national sport team member full of Indonesian peoples. It can we say 100% Indonesian achievement, because the all of national sport team full of Indonesian people, because this is the national sport team of Indonesia. Of course, it will better if all of member of national sport team full of Indonesian peoples. So the holy judges, I think that's all for me. Thank you.